Samsung Galaxy A72 might not be the upgrade we were hoping for. Samsung Galaxy A72 is reportedly in the works, and as per the latest reports, the smartphone might sport a quad-camera setup instead of a penta-camera. A tipster on Twitter whose username goes by Snapdragon aka Chun shared a tweet where he said that the Samsung Galaxy A72 5G final version will have only 4 cameras instead of 5. Back in September, a report from Korean site claimed the Samsung Galaxy A72 will be the first device from the brand to house a penta-camera setup. The Galaxy A72 is expected to launch in H1 2021 as the company's new mid-range device. It will be a follow-up to the Galaxy A71 from 2020. Apart from this, the tweet doesn't reveal anything else. The phone will also come with 5G support, according to a follow-up tweet by Chun. According to the previous leak, the Galaxy A72 will sport a 64MP primary camera on the rear, followed by a 12MP ultra-wide lens, an 8MP telephoto lens with optical zoom, a 5MP macro shooter, and a 5MP depth sensor. If this report turns out to be true, Samsung is letting go one of these sensors, hopeful the macro or depth sensor. Further, the previous report also suggests the device will sport 3x optical zoom, a feature which we've seen on Samsung Galaxy S20 FE, and the Galaxy A72 might be the first A-series device to pack an optical image stabilization. To the front, the Galaxy A72 is expected to come with a 32MP snapper. With this turnaround, it looks like Samsung's penta-camera setup smartphone still far away from reality. Samsung's experiment with A-series camera setup is not new, we've seen Galaxy A80 with flip camera mechanism. For now, the Nokia 9 PureView is the one in the market with 5 cameras. Samsung is said to have an estimated sale of around 30 million, which is 10%, with the next-gen Galaxy A-series devices, which includes the Galaxy A72 and Galaxy A52. The Galaxy A72 4G and Galaxy A72 5G should be released at the same time, and availability will differ by market. Samsung could release the phone in the first quarter of 2021 for a price similar to the Galaxy A71 at launch, or around $400 plus. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon.